Hello student. The next topic of chapter number 2, that is unguided media. It consists of 4 types: radio waves, microwaves, infrared and satellite. Okay. First of all, we have to see what are the radio waves. After that, we see what are the microwaves. After that, what is the infrared and how it is used. And last is the fourth one is satellite. The radio waves, the electromagnetic waves ranging in frequencies between the 3 kilohertz to 1 gigahertz are normally called as radio waves. So, first is how to identify the radio waves. In this topic, there is a given that 3 kilohertz to 1 gigahertz are the radio waves. Okay, clear? The radio waves are omnidirectional. Omni means what? Single one. Omnidirectional means only one direction. We can transmit radio waves and receiver will accept it. Okay, but at the same time receiver will not emit or send the waves. So it is omnidirectional. Means what? Only transmitter transmit the waves, the radio waves in the range of 3 kilohertz to 1 gigahertz. So it is called as omnidirectional. When an antenna transmit radio waves, they are propagated in all directions. All directions spread in all over directions. This means that the sending and receiving antennas does not have to be aligned. Okay. The sending antenna sends waves that can be received by any receiving antenna. The radio waves transmitted by one antenna are susceptible to interference by another antenna that may send signals using the same frequency or band. Means what? Radio waves transmitted by one antenna. Means what? एक एंटीना होता है जो रेडियो ट्रांसमिट करता है ऑल डायरेक्शन में. तो जो दूसरा एंटीना होता है वो क्या करता है? उसको कैच करता है. ओके. The radio waves, particularly these waves that propagate in the sky mode, can travel along a long distances. This makes radio waves a good candidate for long distance broadcasting, such as a AM radio. Okay. Radio waves, particularly those of low and medium frequencies, can penetrate walls. These characteristics can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. Means what? रेडियो वेव्स क्या होते हैं? वो लो और मीडियम फ्रीक्वेंसी के रेंज में होते हैं. इसके वजह से वो पेनेट्रेट, दीवार को पेनेट्रेट करके अंदर आके आपको रिसीव हो जाते हैं. It is advantageous because, for example, an AM radio can receive signal inside a building. This is advantageous. Okay. So, what are the applications of radio waves? First application is AM and FM radio. Second one is television. Third is maritime radio. Fourth one is cordless phones. And fifth one is paging. Pagings are, nowadays, nobody is using paging or pager like this. But cordless phones are using. Okay, this is a fully concept of radio waves. Next is what? Microwaves. Electromagnetic waves having frequency, listen carefully, frequencies between 1 and 300 gigahertz. 1 gigahertz to the 300 gigahertz are called as a microwaves. Microwaves are unidirectional. Okay, when an antenna transmits microwaves, they can be normally focused. This means that the sending and receiving antenna need to be aligned. The pair of antennas can be aligned without interference with another pair of aligned antennas. So, major difference is omnidirectional and unidirectional. Omnidirectional में क्या होता है? एंटीना ट्रांसमिट करता है सब डायरेक्शन में, उसका डायरेक्शन फाइनल ना होता है, तो एंटीना वो कैच कर लेता है. लेकिन यूनिडायरेक्शनल में क्या होता है? एक एंटीना सेंड कर रहा है तो दूसरा उसको रिसीव करेगा. तो जो सेंड कर रहा है उसका एंगल और रिसीविंग एंगल कुछ तो इंटरफेरेंस होना चाहिए. A pair of antennas can be aligned without interfacing with another pair of aligned. म्हणजे means what? दोनों interface होना चाहिए, in between कुछ नहीं. Okay. What are the characteristics of microwave propagation? Microwave propagation is a line of sight. Number two, very high frequency microwaves can be penetrate walls. Third is microwave base is relatively wide. Fourth characteristics is use of certain portion of the band receives permission from authorities. Okay. Two types of antennas are used in microwave communication. First, parabolic dish antenna, and second is horn antenna. Clear? Two types of antennas are used in microwaves as shown in the figure. First one is parabolic dish antenna and second is horn antenna. Okay. So what is parabolic and what is horn antenna? The parabolic antenna is based on a geometry of the parabolas, every line parallel to the line of symmetry, means line of sight, reflect off the curve at angle such that all the lines intersect in a common point called as the focus. The parabolic dish works as a funnel, catching a wide range of waves and directed them to a common point. In this way, more of the signal is recovered than would be possible with a single point receiver. This is called a parabolic. Okay. जो हम टेरेस पे देखते हैं डिश, प्लेट साइज डिश, इसमें क्या होता है, रेज और वेव्स कम आउट होता है, उसको आप कैच करते हैं और फोकस के लिए सेंड करते हैं. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट इज हॉर्न एंटीना. इट लुक लाइक अ gigantic scoop. Outgoing transmission are broadcast up a stem and deflect outward in a series of narrow parallel beams by the curve head. Receiver transmissions are collected by the scoop shape of horn and are deflected down into the stem. What are the applications of this? First is, it is used in a cellular phones, means mobile phones. Second is what? Satellite network. And third is wireless. And these are the applications of what? Your microwaves. Thank you.